Hello and welcome to a new video of Human Made. This time I'm planting some parsley seeds to get more parsley, and I'm going to show you how I plant these seeds. I have a big pot where I'm going to plant them in, because previous year I didn't get parsley because of a bad batch of seeds. These are the seeds. And I have a really big pot for them, and I'm going to get the whole package in here. You can also keep some room in between the seeds, because one seed is one plant, so you can leave some room in between each other. But I want a big bush of parsley, so I'm putting them all together. And you can also separate these later if you want to. I just get them all in there. These were all the seeds. Yes, nothing in there anymore. Now I will get my regular soil. And I always do a layer of approximately about 1 centimeter, just so that the seeds are covered with soil. And water it if it's not raining, so it gets enough moisture. And just push the soil a bit down so it's densing up. And then I will see you in the update video of this parsley video. And then I will thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.